All right, welcome to the blueberry experiment video. This is a blueberry jam with a little bit of mint in it, fresh mint, and instead of tasting super minty, the mint just kind of enhances the blueberry flavor. So we're going to start out with our blueberries in a pot. We will be adding pectin and mint, and for my recipe I note not weight or spoons or volume of mint, but length. So this piece is about 6 inches, so that's how I measure my mint to make sure that I'm getting about the same amount when I want it. And lemon juice. Fresh lemon juice is definitely essential for blueberry jams, so you're definitely going to want to squeeze it. And as we have recently learned, eye protection when squeezing your lemons is definitely a plus. So we're gonna start cooking the blueberries to help them break down a little bit. Once they start to break down, we will add the pectin with a little bit of sugar and the mint. Then we're gonna bring that to a rolling boil. Once it's reached the consistency that we want, we will add the sugar and the lemon juice, bring that back up to a rolling boil, and keep it there for a minute. Once that minute is up, it'll be done. Then we can put it in jars and can it in a water bath. So before we jar this up, we do want to pull out the blobs of mint. Now if you want, you can strip the leaves off and kind of chop them up after they've cooled and put them back in so that they kind of continue to infuse it, or you can leave them out. It kind of depends on how you feel about mint and how strongly minty you want it. It's a little fishing expedition. And while it's a good idea to keep tabs on how many sprigs you put in to begin with, they sometimes break down and fall apart and split when you cook it. So there might be more than you started out with, and that's okay. Some you might not find till you're putting it into jars.